In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Adopt Me Discord server. If you'd like to join the Roblox Adopt Me Discord server, you've come to the right place. Joining the official community is a great way to stay informed about announcements, interact with other players, and participate in discussions about the game. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of joining the server using a valid Discord invite link. To get started, open the Discord app on your desktop computer or mobile device and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once Discord has finished loading, look at the server list on the left side of the screen. Near the bottom of the list, you'll see the plus icon, which is used to create a new server or join an existing one. Click the plus icon to open the available options. When the menu appears, scroll down and choose Join a Server. Discord will open a new window with a text box where you can enter a server invitation link. Next, go to the description of this video and locate the invite link for the Adopt Me Discord server. Copy the invite link, then return to Discord and paste it into the invitation box. If you're entering the invite manually instead of copying it, make sure every character is typed correctly. A small mistake in the invitation can prevent Discord from recognizing the server. After you've entered the invite link, Discord will display a preview of the server if the invitation is valid. Take a moment to confirm that you're joining the correct Adopt Me community by reviewing the server name and any information shown in the preview. Once you're ready, click the Join Server button in the bottom right corner of the window. Discord will process the invitation, and after a few moments, the server will be added to your account. You'll then be taken directly into the community where you can begin exploring the available channels. Before participating, it's a good idea to read the server rules, announcements, and welcome messages. Many communities have guidelines that help keep conversations organized and respectful. Some servers may also require new members to complete a simple verification process before gaining access to every channel, so be sure to follow any instructions that appear after joining. That's all there is to it. By opening Discord, selecting Join a Server, entering a valid invitation link, and confirming the request, you can quickly become a member of the Roblox Adopt Me Discord server and start connecting with other players. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,